Hello, science and space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating story about the Hubble Space Telescope, which has been delivering breathtaking images of the universe for over 3 decades. But this isn't just any story about a telescope, it's about its uncertain future, a billionaire's ambitious plan to save it, and NASA's surprising response. Since its launch on April 24, 1990, aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, the Hubble Space Telescope has been orbiting approximately 320 miles, 515 kilometers, above Earth. It has faced harsh conditions in space, such as intense solar radiation, freezing temperatures, and micrometeoroid impacts. Despite these challenges, Hubble has significantly advanced our understanding of the universe, providing us with stunning images and crucial scientific data, from revealing the wonders of distant galaxies to capturing the birth and death of stars. Hubble's contributions to astronomy are unparalleled. It has played a key role in numerous discoveries, including the accelerating expansion of the universe, the presence of black holes in the centers of galaxies, and the detailed observation of exoplanets. Hubble's iconic images, such as the Pillars of Creation and the ultra-deep field, have not only provided scientific insights, but also inspired the public's imagination. However, 34 years in space take a toll. Just this week, NASA announced that one of Hubble's 3 remaining gyroscopes, essential for maintaining the telescope's precise orientation, has failed. To conserve its capabilities, Hubble will now operate on a single gyroscope, keeping the remaining functional one as a backup. This strategy is expected to keep Hubble operational until the mid-2030s. But what happens after that? Hubble's orbit is gradually decaying due to atmospheric drag. This gradual descent presents 2 possible futures: a controlled re-entry, where most of the spacecraft burns up in Earth's atmosphere, or a reboost to a higher orbit, buying time for potential future servicing missions. Enter Jared Isaacman, the billionaire entrepreneur behind the Inspiration 4 and Polaris missions. In 2022, Isaacman proposed a commercial mission with SpaceX to reboost Hubble's orbit. This proposal was part of NASA's request for private companies to develop innovative solutions for extending Hubble's operational life. NASA considered this proposal through a multi-month feasibility study. However, on June 4th, NASA announced it would not pursue the reboost mission at this time. Mark Clampin, director of NASA's Astrophysics Division, explained, "After exploring the current commercial capabilities, we are not going to pursue a reboost. We greatly appreciate the in-depth analysis by NASA, SpaceX, and our other partners. It's given us valuable insights for future missions." Isaacman's proposal sparked a lively debate among space experts, journalists, and the public. An NPR investigation revealed mixed reactions within NASA, with some suggesting that politics might have influenced the decision. The investigation, which accessed internal NASA emails through a Freedom of Information Act request, highlighted the various opinions within the agency about the feasibility and risks of a commercial reboost mission. But during the recent Hubble conference, NASA provided a clearer explanation for its decision. NASA officials, including Patrick Krauss, Hubble's project manager, emphasized that Hubble is still performing exceptionally well. "We believe it has very high reliability," Krauss said. "We can continue groundbreaking science through the rest of the 2020s and into the 2030s. Clampin highlighted the risks identified in the feasibility study, such as potential contamination of Hubble's mirror and the challenges of a new rendezvous and docking procedure. These concerns are significant because Hubble's optical system is incredibly sensitive. Even minute contaminants could degrade its ability to capture clear images. Additionally, the reboost mission would involve technologies and procedures that have never been tested on Hubble, increasing the risk of failure. The last servicing mission to Hubble was in 2009, using the Space Shuttle Atlantis. This mission required extensive planning and the involvement of highly experienced astronauts. Since the retirement of the Space Shuttle program, any new mission would need to use different spacecraft and techniques, introducing new complexities and risks. The historical success of the shuttle missions set a high bar for any future attempts to service Hubble. Hubble's contributions to science are far from over. Even in its advanced age, it continues to provide valuable data that complements newer telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. The dual use of these telescopes allows for cross-verification of data and enhances our overall understanding of cosmic phenomena. Hubble's unique capabilities, such as its ultraviolet sensitivity, make it irreplaceable for certain types of observations. However, a commercial servicing mission isn't entirely off the table. Both NASA and its partners believe it's best to delay such a risky mission until absolutely necessary. With Hubble's current performance, that time hasn't come yet. NASA's cautious approach reflects a desire to balance innovation with the preservation of a critical scientific asset. Krauss reassured the public, "There's a greater than 70% probability of operating at least one gyro through 2035. We currently have 4 robust and highly productive instruments, and reliability is expected to remain high. This means that, barring any unforeseen failures, Hubble will continue to be a cornerstone of astronomical research for many years to come. In the meantime, NASA continues to collaborate with private companies like SpaceX to explore innovative solutions for future missions. This partnership could pave the way for new advancements in space technology and open up exciting possibilities for the future of space exploration. The lessons learned from these collaborations may one day facilitate a successful reboost or servicing mission for Hubble. The discussions around Hubble also highlight broader implications for the future of space exploration. The growing role of private companies in space missions, the challenges of maintaining aging space infrastructure, and the balance between innovation and risk are all critical issues that will shape the next era of space exploration. Hubble's story is not just about a single telescope. It's about the evolving relationship between science, technology, and human ambition. So, while Hubble isn't on its last legs, its future remains a topic of interest and debate. What do you think? Should NASA reconsider the reboost mission, or is it better to wait? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting stories from the world of science and space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.